Hey guys, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I wanted to show you how to measure a two-piece chair sling. Welcome to my shop. Alright, so with a two-piece chair sling, you can see here, we've got, a separate seat and back. So we need to take 3 measurements, for each the seat and the back. We want to take the front width, the back width of the seat, and then we want to take the length. We're measuring all the visible portion of the fabric. So again, we're going to take this and we're going to measure. I like to go up about 2 inches or around where the hardware is always a good idea. Measuring across close to the hardware, coming up to 22 3/4 there, and then we'll measure again in the back where there's a hardware again, and coming up the same measurement again. If you see an 1/8 of an inch difference, you can round up a little, but it's not necessary probably, to worry about that fraction of a difference. If you see a 1/2 inch or an inch, those are more obvious ones, and we will make them to the specifications that you give us. And again, just the same thing, actually, you're just measuring again the rectangle. We're going to go with the visible portion again. We're still coming up to 21 3/4 on this one. And then again at the top of the back, again a few inches from the top, and again 21 3/4. So that gives us our top width, our bottom width of the back, and then we're going to do the length, visible portion of the fabric. So everything you can see coming out to 29 1/2. Pretty basic stuff. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't get into fractions of an inch beyond 1/4 of an inch. We're quite comfortable with making them at the 1/4 inch level. All right, so that's how you measure a two-piece chair sling. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.